Dear student, today's lecture on internal reconstruction, lecture second, capital reduction. Meaning, reduction of share capital means following three things. First, reducing the liability of shareholders in respect of unpaid amount on the shares held. Second, payment of any paid up capital which is more than its requirements. Third, cancellation of any paid up share capital which is lost or which is not represented by assets. Matters requiring consideration. While formulating the scheme of reconstruction, following matters have to be given due consideration. First, position of debenture holders and creditors. Second, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Third, determination of fictitious items like accumulated losses and goodwill. Fourth, determination of magnitude of sacrifice to be undergone by each category of members. Fifth, determination of the possible sources of additional funds. Sixth, position of each types of creditors. Seventh, treatment of arrears of cumulative dividend. 8. Reconstitution of the size of personnel. Reduction of share capital. Reduction of share capital may take the following forms. First, reducing the uncalled capital. In the case of the partly paid of shares, it may be decided to write off the uncalled capital. It reduces the liability of members. It also reduces the par value of shares. The entry is passed as share capital account debit to share capital. Second, return of paid up capital. If a company thinks that its capital is more than the requirements, it may decide to return the paid up capital to its members. It involves a reduction in the face value of shares. The entry are passed as follows. Share capital account debit to share capital. Shareholders account to shareholders account. Another entry. Shareholders account debit to bank account. Third, writing of paid up capital. In this case, the paid up capital of the company is reduced, but the amount of reduction is not refunded to the shareholders. It is made available for construction of financial position. The reduction in capital may be with change in face value of the shares or without change in the face value. A. With change in face value, share capital account debit to share capital account. Firstly is the paid up value of old shares. It means is a old value, and another is new value as per position of capital converted into new shares. Capital reduction account to capital reduction account, reduction in paid up capital. B. Without change in face value, share capital account debit in bracket reduction in share capital to capital reduction account. Fourth, reduction of liabilities. The scheme of internal reconstruction may involve sacrifice and settlement of a part or full amount of liabilities in case the amount of sacrifice made is transferred to capital reduction account. The various types of arrangements may be as follows. A. Debenture holders foregoing their claim in whole or in part. Debenture holders account debit amount of debentures to capital reduction account sacrifice to bank account payment made. B. Debenture holders exchanging for new debentures or shares. Debentures account debit old, debenture account to debenture account new, to share capital new, to capital reduction account sacrifice. C. Creditors foregoing their claim in whole or in part. Creditors account debit total creditors to capital reduction sacrifice to bank account payment made. D. Creditors agreeing to receive shares debentures in whole or in part payment of their claim. Creditors account debit total creditors. Share capital account to share capital account share issued to debenture account debenture issued to capital reduction account sacrifice made. E. Preferential holders foregoing their claim for arrears of preference dividend. No entry here. F. Preferential holders agreeing to accept equity shares debentures new preference shares with reduced rate of dividend payment in cash. Preferential capital account debit to equity share capital account, to debentures account, to preferential capital account, to bank account, to capital reduction account. Here preferential capital new. G. Fresh issue of shares for working capital. Bank account debit to share capital account. 6. Writing off accumulated losses, worthless intangible assets, and other overvalued assets to extent of overvaluation. The balance in capital reduction is utilized for writing off profit and loss account, debit balance, goodwill, patents, miscellaneous expenditure, and the assets which are found to be overvalued. The journal entry will be capital reduction account debit to fictitious assets account, to intangible assets account, to tangible assets account, to capital reserve account, balance after out. Note, even if the problem is silent as to write off the debit balance of profit and loss account, preliminary expenses, underwriting commission, discount on issue of shares, debentures should be written off to the extent of credit balance available in capital reduction account. Model accounting entries at a glance for ready reference. Transaction accounting entry. When the face value of shares is changed, entry, share capital account debit, old with paid up value of old shares, to share capital account, new with paid up value of new shares, to capital reduction account with difference. Second, when there is a reduction in shares capital in bracket, face value of shares is not changed. Entry, share capital account debit to capital reduction account with the amount of reduction. Fourth, when any sacrifice is made by creditors, entry, creditors account debit with sacrifice to capital reduction account. Fifth, when value of any assets is appreciated, assets account debit with appreciation in asset to capital reduction account. Sixth, transaction. When capital reduction is utilized for writing off fictitious assets, losses, and excess value of other assets, entry capital reduction account debit to profit and loss account, to goodwill account, to preliminary expenses account, to discount on issue of debentures account, to other assets account, to capital reserve account if any balance is left. 7. When shares are consolidated, share capital account debit to share capital old say as 10 and say as 100 subdivided to share capital say as 10. 9th, when shares are converted into stock, share capital account debit to share stock account. 10. When shares are surrendered, share capital account debit to share surrendered account. 11. When surrendered shares are converted into preference shares, share surrendered account debit to preference share capital account. 12th, when an unrecorded liability is paid for, capital reduction account debit to bank account. 13. When recorded liability is paid for, liability account debit to bank. Note, any profit or loss on sale should be transferred to capital reduction account. When contingent liability is paid for, entry capital reduction account debit to bank. 15. When recorded assets is disposed of, entry bank account debit to assets account. Note, any profit or loss on sale should be transferred to capital reduction account. 16. When an unrecorded assets is sold off, entry bank account debit to capital reduction account. 17. When reconstruction expenses are paid, capital reduction account debit to bank. 18. When finance is raised by issue of shares, bank account debit to share capital account. Note, capital reduction account should not leave any balance. Second, capital reduction account may be called reduction account. 19. When arrears of preference dividend are cancelled, no entry. 20. When arrears of preference, capital reduction account debit to deposits, certificates, cash, share capital account. 20th, when arrears of preference dividend are settled by issue of deposits, certificates, cash, shares, entry capital reduction account debit to deposit certificates, cash, shares, capital account. 21. When new debentures are exchanged for old debentures, entry old debentures account debit to new debentures account. 22nd. When the rate of preference dividend is increased, preference share capital account debit to preference share capital debit old, credit new. 23. When assets are taken over by loan creditors account debit to assets account. 24. When provision for taxation, capital reserve, security premium is utilized, provision for taxation account, capital reserve account, share premium account debit to capital reduction account. 26. When surrender shares are cancelled, share surrendered account debit to capital reduction account. 27. When penalty is paid, capital reduction account debit to bank. 28. When claim is recovered against contingent liability entry, bank account debit to capital reduction account. 29. When directors refund their fees, bank account debit to capital reduction account. 30. When debenture holders take over some assets, shares are issued to them, entry debentures account debit to assets account to share capital account. 31. When preferential capital is exchanged for equity shares, debentures, entry preferential capital account debit to equity share capital account to debentures account. 32. When calls are made, share call account debit to share capital account. 33. When calls are collected, entry bank account debit to share call account. 34. When shares are forfeited, share capital account debit to share forfeited shares account to calls in arrears account. 35. When forfeited shares are reissued, entry bank account debit forfeited shares account debit to share capital account. Pro forma capital reduction account, debit side, to profit and loss account, loss written off, to goodwill account, write off, to preliminary expenses, written off, to discount on shares, public debentures, written off, to assets account, decrease in values, to bank account, payment of unrecorded liability, to bank account, payment of reconstruction expenses, to capital reserve balancing figure, by share capital amount of reduction, by debentures account amount of reduction, by creditors account amount of sacrifice, by assets account in bracket increasing the value of asset, by bank account in bracket sale of unrecorded assets, total. Here balancing figure will be capital reserve. Okay, thank you students.